This is Sam, our swiper automated machine, designed by Daniel at engineerable.com. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the power is off. You can tell that the power is off because none of the lights are turned on. The larger suction cup platform is for touching, not swiping. The machine does both. Place the surface to be swiped on the suction platform. Once the surface is on the platform, move the platform itself so that the surface is vertically aligned under the swiper. A vacuum is connected to the platform by rubber tubing. Turn on the vacuum to secure the sample for swiping. Drape the swiping material over the plastic cube. Secure the material using a black rubber ring, taking care not to touch the swiping surface. You can then magnetically attach the cube to the robot. Using the white hand wheel at the top of the robot, lower the moving end to which you just attached the plastic cube until it is approximately 3 millimeters from the surface to be swiped. Ensure that the two surfaces are not touching. Turn the silver knob on the front of the horizontal column, moving the swiping surface to your desired start position. Then, loosen the side knob closest to the vertical column, allowing you to move the red metal piece until you feel it contact the notch in the metal carrier. Now, turning the silver knob again, move the cube to the desired end point. Then align the other red metal piece so it is aligned with the notch in the metal carrier. Finally, tighten both side knobs, setting your horizontal start and end points. Loosen the knob on the vertical column to move the red metal piece until its center black line is aligned with the top edge of the carriage on the vertical axis. Tighten the knob to secure that position. Turn the swipe on-off switch to the on position. Turn the power on using the switch behind the control box. Wait until the force meter at the front of the control box initializes and shows a force reading. If the force is not close to 0, check that the sample surface and the swiping surfaces are not touching. If the surfaces are not touching, use the tare button to re-zero the force meter. At this point, both set point lights should be off. Press the green button on top of the control box. The vertical slide will move up to the set point and back down about 1 centimeter, stopping at the start position. Before setting your force parameters, you should know that set point 1 must always be a value lower than the desired contact force. If the set point 1 is much smaller than the desired force, the force will be more accurate, but SAM will take longer to achieve that force. If set point 1 is close to the desired force, SAM will reach that force faster. If set point 1 is too close to the desired force, SAM may overshoot. Our desired force, set point 2, is 800 grams. Therefore, in this case, we set set point 1 to 780 grams. To set the force parameters, press the Set Points button, the leftmost button on the control box. Set point 1 will appear first. Set points 1 and 2 by pressing the tare button to move the selection to the right as needed. Press the NTGRS button to change the value of the selected digit. Once the set point is correct, press the Set Points button again to move to the next set point. Once set points 1 and 2 have been set, continue to press the Set Points button until Run is displayed on the screen. If the force reading is not at 0, press the tare button again. Press the green button to run your sample. Once you have completed your trial, turn the vacuum off and remove your sample. Next, attach the swiping surface. Be careful not to contaminate either.